Wow, the BLISS plan from Lennar Homes. I'm out here at Treetops, and this morning I had some clients out at Summerhouse, both in South Carolina. This is of course a 55 plus neighborhood, and Summerhouse feels very much like Treetops, but not 55 plus. And the BLISS is just a very popular plan. I just want to give you a quick tour of it. Maybe you've seen the BLISS plan and you want to be refreshed, or maybe you just want to be introduced to what I consider one of their great plans. It's funny about downsizing. That's got a relative term to no matter who you're talking to. So you've been living in what, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000 square feet? Downsizing may feel a little different to you than to others, but here we are with about an 1,800 plus square foot plan, magnificent kitchen, great island, opens up into a great room. That's what you want. You see those two little niches? They've got accent lights and bookcases. And then this is the flex room that really makes the BLISS amazing from Lennar Homes. This could be a study, you know, with windows. Right now it's a sunroom. It's obviously bright and sunny. All the windows, including these three that allow you to put furniture below them. But this could be a study with French doors. And here's what I love about the BLISS. Here you've got a really generous covered patio. And do what you want after that, but that's covered, easily screened, and just magnificent. So if you haven't been to Treetops, make sure you tell them that I'm your agent, Roger Holloway from Pro Stead Realty. You don't save any money by going in without an agent, and they're paying my fee anyway, so why not have buyer representation to help you along the way? In fact, just today I'm here for an out-of-town client that had a pre-construction meeting, but they're in Florida. So I was here for them with the builder, with them on the phone. I provide a lot of services, and I will shoot a video of the progress of their house with the plumbing on the ground, getting ready to pour a slab. Many things that I can do to help you, and I want to help you. And if you've been watching my videos, hey, we have a relationship, right? Wow, look at the BLISS. Look at the BLISS. What more do you need? And to be able to get into this for, I don't know, $325 to $350 means that you've got a very functional, really nice, brand new construction ranch home with all the new technology, the latest windows, and everything that comes with that, and everything that you need to be able to live out those remaining decades. Hey, I'm a baby boomer too, baby. I'll be 70 before you know it. So here we go. Let's live it out. I love the BLISS. Give me a call at 704-345-3400. Please click the like button below, and there's a share button. If you click that, you'll get a little code that you can send to a friend or family member, and I would appreciate it. And as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the little bell notification so that you're made aware when new things happen. And oh, by the way, one thing that Lennar is doing now, besides their Energy Star certified status, they have the new Alexa from Amazon built in, and Amazon will come out, send somebody out to help you get it going, where you just say, hey, Alexa, close the blinds. Hey, Alexa, turn on the lights. I love it. This is the BLISS from Lennar Homes. Roger in the greater Charlotte area, 704-345-3400. Let's get on my schedule so we can spend some time looking at homes. We'll talk soon.